Makumalo was judging Musamseleku that Musamseleku got married to his daughter Makwela. Makwela and Sneh, they are in same age because Musamseleku is in 50 something, Makwela is in 20 something. At that time, Mayeni was complaining about Makumalo that Musamseleku got married to a younger child. Makumalo was 18 of age, and Makwela is better because Makwela at that time she met Musamseleku, she is in 20s. Makumalo was in 80s. But now Makumalo have a power to judge Makwela that Makwela is younger than Musamseleku. What she forgot about Mayeni. Mayeni was always said to Makumalo, this is a child. Makumalo got angry about Mayeni, what she said. What goes around comes around. Because Makumalo, she wants to be here or enjoying to be with Musamseleku. Because at that time, Mangwabe and Makumalo, they feel comfortable. But Machele and Mayeni, they don't being comfortable to be with them. But Makumalo and Mangwabe, they refused to accept Makwela. They were expecting that Machele and Mayeni, they have to accept them without complaining. It can't happen. They have to feel the pain or to apologize to Mayeni and Machele because they don't know how it pains. They see Mayeni, she was angry because of Mangwawe and Makumalo. And now it's the same. Now what goes around comes around. Makumalo always said Musamseleku got married to a child. She forgot at that time she was younger than Makwela. Makwela is better because she is in 20s. Makumalo at that time was in 80s, 18s, because Msamseleku can't marry a woman who is in 30s or who is in 30s, because a woman who is in 30s is a single mom. All of them, they have got kids. So Msamseleku was supposed to marry a girl who is in 20s, in 80s, and now they are complaining why he got married to a younger child. What guys, you know that we are different, men and women. We want to compare ourselves with men. It can't happen. A man who is in 60 years, he can marry a girl who is in 20s or 18 years of age. There is no problem. So we can't compare Musamseleku, and it is not starting with Musamseleku. There are older men who are married to girls as long as you have got money, because pocket talks, your money talks to girls. So it can't, even Musamseleku can have more kids with Makwela. We say Makwela, she is younger than Musamseleku. What age is just a number when it comes to marriage, especially men. It doesn't matter, guys. Men, he can be in 60s or 70s and he is still having kids than women. That's why Musamseleku got married to Makwela. Even Makwela is younger than Musamseleku, but look at Makwela now. Makwela, Makumalo, look at their bodies. You can say they are in same age. If you look at Makumalo and Mayeni, you can say they are in same age because their bodies, they look like they are in same age. Women, we can get older faster than men. That's why Musamseleku marry Makwela, because Makwela at that time she doesn't have a child with other men. Even Makumalo was judging Makwela that Makwela was dating other men. What it can happen as she is. You know that Makumalo sometimes have to learn to keep quiet because other people, when they want to expose her, Machele started exposing. We are starting blaming Machele, but she was the one who started judging Makwela. That Makwela, before she married Musamseleku, maybe Makumalo knows Makwela's boyfriends, but it's the past. Maybe Makwela leave her boyfriends when she met Musamseleku and she saw that Musamseleku is serious with her. Makwela leave her boyfriends. It happens. Even Mayeni, Machele, when she met Musamseleku, they are dating other people. But they saw that Musamseleku was serious with them. But Makumalo want to talk about Makwela, that Makwela was dating other men. Yes, it can happen. As Makumalo have a child with other men. You understand? That's why Machele exposed Makumalo. So Makhumalo sometimes have to learn to keep quiet than to judge other women. She knows that they are in same book with Makwela.